Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete the email or your personal email from your HubSpot account. Sometimes when you don't really want to receive any more the disturbing emails into your HubSpot inbox, you can basically disconnect this feature from your account. We just have to go to the top right corner and click on settings. At settings, as you can see, we have already established our channels. We can delete it as well, but we are at the moment trying to get rid of our personal email. So we are going to our profile, to the email, and as you can see, we have two basically personal emails connected. One is disabled and the second one is enabled. You can tell by the green or red dot next to the status. So we are doing it quite easily. We are just click on remove option. Do you really want to remove this connected inbox? Yes, you want to. You can edit it as well. Basically, email address stays the same. Also the password, but you can change the advanced options already. But you can press on the automation or basically turn off the automations. It's very useful stuff. You can really you can install add-in or edit it, disable it, or completely remove it. And that should basically help you with your everyday life with HubSpot. So guys, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.